tutorial. All right, for those of you who are still finding it difficult to understand this new graphic design of this daily trading app, I think it's very easy, it's very simple. The front page is almost similar, so what you just need to do is to look for trade, okay? And the way it is now, you don't need to find trade again, okay? Because all you just need to do is just to move down, okay? Then you check for the USDT you want to buy. For instance, today 90 USDT we are using EUC. Okay, so this is EUC here. This is EUC. All right, so all we just need to do is to click on buy. All right, so we click on buy. When you click on buy, it takes you to this place. Now on this platform, on this place, you see that there are two things here. There is buy and there is sell. So you can buy and you can sell. Look here, there is market here, there is buy here, and there is sell here. So all you just need to do, if you want to buy, you click on buy. Now the platform shows like this. So you put the USDT. Look here, let me show you something here. Do you see this? This is your balance of USDT. Now if you want to see the place of amount, this is where you will put it. You get, and the total will show here. So it's just as simple as that. So let's do it. Now for instance, I'm having $553.9149. So I've inputted what I need to put, the 4 digits I need to put. It's okay like this. All right, then what you just need to do is to click on buy. Look at this buy here, you click on buy. Now when you are done buying, no problem, you can go back by clicking cancel. And if you cannot click, if you know another way to go back, fine, but for now you just go back by clicking cancel. Now when you click cancel, you see it shows you to the brings you back to the candle movement again, which is market, buy and sell. So at this one, you don't need to be making mistake like have to go and be selecting again. The thing is already selected. So all you just need to do now, if you want to sell, is to click on this sell button. You click on sell button, then you put the amount you want to sell. So you put the amount as you put for buying, also it will appear. All right, this is the place to put the amount you want to sell here. You put it there and you sell. So that you click on sell, that is all. All right guys, this is sell EUC. So guys, that is all you need to know about this new platform. It's easy to go, easy to trade, and so on and so forth. I'll be doing more videos, so you better subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be doing more video regarding this new interface. Thank you guys, God bless you.